How to see who have swiped on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see who have swiped on your chats on Snapchat. So here, this feature is available through the Snapchat Plus, the premium subscription. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is you can just tap on the Snapchat Plus option, and there you can just follow the instruction to purchase the subscription. And here, after subscribing, you can just go back to your profile page, and there you can simply scroll down to find a peek feature, and this shows who have swiped your chat. So there you can just tap on that option, and after that you can just follow the on-screen instruction to enable it. And here, with that, you can open your chat section, and here when someone hap swipes to read your message, Snapchat Plus will notify you through a peek feature. So that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.